Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we're going to do issue 19 of Build the Terminator. And there's not a lot to do in this issue. We're just going to start doing the head motor as it says in the magazine. So let's get modelling. Right, so first thing I need to actually tell you is this head part that we did last time, and we put the motor on here. An eagle-eyed viewer noticed that I hadn't put the bracket on for the housing now, sorry, for the eyes. Oh, that's the wrong camera. There we go. So I don't know if you can see down there, but there is a bracket down there that I missed off and had to put on. Now what I have done is, you've already seen, I put the instructions on for that that bit I missed out on, and yeah, that was my mistake, but I've corrected it now and the eyes are now staying in one place. But moving aside, we'll get on to issue 19. So the first parts we need to bring across is this part here and this part here. Now this part has like a little cog on it, and it sort of moves this bit on the top here, and then this part I think is just where it's going to be cased in. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to push these parts together. So let's get them lined up. That's them pushed together, and then we need to screw it down, these two screw holes, using a PWB 2x6mm screw. Oh sorry, no, 2x6x5 apparently. So let's screw that down. That's the one down. Let's get the other one. And that's the second one down. Just looking like that, as so. Okay, so the next part we need to bring across is these two pieces here. This is the motor, and then we have also this part here, and we just simply need to put the motor in like so. And this time we need to screw it in with these screws. Now these have got like a little like wash on the end built in, and these are PWB 2x6mm screws. And we just need to screw the motor on. Oh. And this will hold it down. So I'm just going to hold that in my hands while we screw this in. So that's the first one in. Bit tough, them screws, but they're going in. So let's get the second in. Second one here again, a little bit tough, so just applying a bit of pressure on my screwdriver, and that's gone in nicely like so. Okay, so we need to bring this part across again. Now I'll read out the instructions. It just says, before proceeding, check the alignment of the peg on the cog assembly. Now the peg is this little notch there. Okay, it should be positioned as shown, so like that, yeah, so that the wedge on the rotating disc butts up to the wedge on the housing. Okay, yes, so what it is, I'll show again, close-up camera. there's a little notch just there, and that's where it should be. Okay, so what then we need to do is we need to secure this together like so. Like that, and then we need to screw it in, and we need to screw it in with the PB 2x6mm screws. Now they've changed the name of these screws, but they were a different one a bit ago, but now they've changed the name. So that's the first one in. That's the second one in. And we'll just get this last one in. That's the last one in. Just going to double check that these are nice and tight, so we have a nice good contact, which they are, and that is this stage complete. As you can see there, we've done the motor for the head. And that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in and watching do issue 19. Now in the next issue, issue 20, we'll be mount the assembled motor inside the Terminator endoskeleton head. And that's what we get next week. But if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos of mine. Also down in the description is where you can get this model for yourself through Agora Models, and also there's the links to my social media pages for the channel. But as for always, bye for now guys, bye.